Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn on the disappearing message automatically once they seen on the Instagram, on your Instagram messages. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the disappearing message for a particular account on your Instagram chat. So first of all, just going to open the Instagram message option. So just going to turn on the disappearing message for this profile. So just click on the profile first, and you have the option called disappearing message. You just need to click on the profile on the top. Then you have the option called disappearing message. It is exactly turned off. You just need to click on the once they seen. So this option allows you to turn on automatically once they see it. So it will be automatically turn on the disappearing message, and just come back. You can see the disappearing message is actually turned on. So this is how you just turn on the disappearing message. You can see the symbol, a circle symbol on the camera symbol that indicates the disappearing message is turned on. This is the way that you can just turn on the disappearing message on your Instagram chat for a particular account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.